flies, and mosquitoes, nature's tiniest, most persistent, and downright annoying villains. They invade our homes uninvited, buzz relentlessly in our ears, and turn our skin into their personal buffet. Whether you're trying to enjoy a peaceful evening outdoors or a quiet meal inside, these tiny troublemakers always find a way to ruin the moment. But guess what? We don't have to sit back and suffer anymore. It's time to fight back, naturally. No harsh chemicals, no harmful sprays, just simple, effective, and eco-friendly ways to keep these pests at bay. Let's reclaim our space and enjoy life without the constant buzzing and biting. First up, flies. Those buzzing nuisances don't stand a chance against this apple cider vinegar and dish soap trap. It's like setting up a five-star buffet that they can't escape from. Then we have basil, mint, and lavender, which smell amazing to us but are basically fly kryptonite. Want to step it up? Try the clove and lemon trick. It's like aromatherapy, but for making flies rethink their life choices. And if you love cinnamon, great, flies don't. Sprinkle some near doors and watch them flee. Now, for mosquitoes, the tiny vampires of the insect world. Light a citronella candle, and suddenly you're invisible to them. Neem oil works like a force field for your skin. Garlic spray? Sure, it makes your yard smell like an Italian restaurant, but hey, no mosquitoes. Want something soothing? Lavender and tea tree oil double as a spa treatment and mosquito repellent. And if all else fails, camphor in water clears out a room faster than a bad joke. So there you have it, nature's best weapons against flies and mosquitoes. Try them out, stay bite-free, and finally enjoy your summer in peace.